Welcome to another episode of Inside Trial Minds, where we dive deep into the minds of our nation's top-ranked attorneys, how they think, how they fight, and how they ultimately win their cases.
We take on cases we know we may never see a dime on it, but we do it because it's the right thing to do. We do it for the right reasons. That person we represent's injured. They have a right to have their case heard before a jury. And we've both done cases throughout our careers where, it's not the greatest case, but our client, they deserve to have people hear their side of the story and to seek justice. And we've learned throughout the years that you can turn a mediocre case or even a bad case into a winning case if you do it right and you put in the time and you have passion to do it.
And the jury awarded us $485,000. And that was it. Like, that was the watershed moment that I was like, oh, I can do this. When I have a case that is a legitimate case, albeit that the damages weren't there and we were able to get a very large award, I recognized then that I had a skill set that probably was pretty unique.
I was a young man that came from a broken home, had wonderful parents, both my mom and my dad. My dad was brilliant. My father had an exceptionally high IQ. He instilled upon us for me to read 10 books a week, even as a young man. And when I was in high school, I had things going on at home that just did not help me.
Everyone that is successful, there's a certain amount of fear. That's what drives you to learn and to be better. And so initially, there was this fear. Can I do this?
Trust is the fuel for the engine, really. Without the gas, without trust, you're not going anywhere, right? Mm-hmm. So you can know how to persuade and you can understand the neuroscience, but if you don't know how to build your credibility with your decision maker, and if you don't have the ability to get them to trust you, you're not going anywhere. You're 100% right. Trust is foundational.